Hello everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to draw a cute Chihuahua. First, let's draw the head. You draw a big circle. Next, you draw the ears. You draw two curves. One curve up and you curve back down. And do the same thing to the other side. Next, you draw the nose. You draw a little curve. To complete it, you draw two little curves on each side of it. For the mouth, you draw a line down and you curve on each side. For the eyes, you draw one big circle. For the pupils, you draw two circles on the inside. And draw a little curve and draw 3 lines in it. And fill it in. And draw 2 little lashes and do the same thing to the other side. After that, you draw 2 little curves for the eyebrows on the top of the eye. And after that, you draw a nice little curve in the inside of the ear. Now we draw the neck and collar. We draw 2 lines right here for the neck. To complete it, we draw a nice curve and then we draw 2 little curves right here for the collar. And to complete it, you draw a soft little curve right here on the bottom. For the front of the body, you draw a nice long slight curve right here. And for the back of the body, we draw a little short line right here. And you draw a nice curve right here. And you curve right down. Then for the legs, we draw a little curve right here and we curve out for the first leg. And at the end of the curve, we draw the next curve for the leg. And then you draw a nice long curve. And you bring this down a little bit and draw another curve and connect it to this line right here for the back leg, and for the last leg, you draw a little curve in here. Last, we draw the tail. You curve up and you curve back right down. And for the collar chain, you draw a line and a little heart. And this is my finished Chihuahua. Now I'm going to color my Chihuahua. To highlight the eyes, I'm going to color with blue. For the nose, I'm going to color with brown. For the inside of the ears, I'm going to color it pink. For the face, I'm gonna color it tan. I'm also going to color the outside of the ears tan. And for the neck. For the color, I will color it pink. And for the color chain. Last, I will color the body tan. And here's my finished Chihuahua. Thank you for watching. And if you like this video, don't forget to give a thumbs up and turn on your notification bells so you won't miss any of my other videos. See you later. Bye.